Hi everyone. So you know when I pan around and you see this, what time it is. But before I get started, why is it 90 degrees at 7:30 at night in mid-September? That's what I want to know. Like, I am so hot and it is so humid, but we are about to get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm not about to be doing all this talking because I know better. And when you know better, you do better. But what happened was I was supposed to go and get mulch, but it's because it's on sale at the orange store and the blue store. One is the Preen brand and one is the regular brand. And so I went to get mulch, and I actually went to return a shop light that did not work. So I returned the shop light. Ask me, did I get the mulch? I'll answer it for you. Nope. But I did get 5 of these dianthus that were on sale for $2.50. That's what I did get. Okay, so before you respond, yes, I was on punishment and I don't know what happened. I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'll give you a quick backstory. So the Saturday before Labor Day, we went to my middle daughter's house. And if I sound a little bit nasally, I don't know if it's allergies, sinus, or catching a cold. I don't feel bad, but I feel drainage and I keep sneezing. And so I'm trying to get over all this because I don't have time to be getting sick. So the Saturday before Labor Day, we went to my daughter's house, and I knew that they were having a sale at the blue and the orange box stores on their moms for 88 cents. So we were on the road, so I knew I couldn't go ham on them. I had to have discretion because we had our suitcases in the back and we didn't have enough room. So what I did get on that trip was 8 mums, and these were from the orange store, because when I went to the blue store, they were they were 88 cents. They had more colors, but they were one stem sticking up, and I just felt that these were more fuller to me, and they're actually starting to open. So I got 2 red. I got a total of 8. I think it's 2 red, 3 orange, 3 yellows. So that was at the orange store, and I put those in the back. They were fine. Then I went to the blue store and looked at their mums. I was not pleased with it, but as I was walking out of the store, I saw a cart with 2 of these and some other stuff in there. So I asked the store worker, were these anyone? And she said nope, they were putting it back. Let me zoom in on the price. Oh God, y'all, I am squatted down in my knees. Okay, so let me zoom in on the price. $8. And then, if you're military, you get 10% off. Now I know these are annuals and I may not have a lot of time, but like I said, it is 7:30 and about 90 degrees right now, so I still can get a couple of months out of these, and I might just try to overwinter them. When it gets really cold, I'll put them in the garage, and so we'll see. Okay, so I also got seeds, and I think I should start with them first because I actually got them while we were in Columbus. For all of you that don't know, we're from Columbus, Georgia. That's my husband and our hometown. We are high school sweethearts, and our parents live right around the street from each other currently. But for those of you that are military, the AFES, PX, BX, whatever you want to call it, in your area, we actually went there, and they had trees 50% off. And when I walked out there and looked at the trees, they should have been handing them out to people as they walk out the door for free, because I don't know what that was. I didn't take a picture, but I don't think those could even be brought back. It was like a stick with a bunch of weeds around the bottom. So I looked at a couple and I said, you know what? don't even waste your time. But let me go real quick and show you the seeds, like I need more, the seeds that I got while I was there. Okay, and real quick, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm telling y'all, this morning I had all of this cleared, because I'm the type of person, like, I'll let stuff go for a little bit, but then once it starts getting to me, I have to do something about it. So I walked out on the back patio and I just felt like it was a garden center, and it was just plants and pots all around. So I was like, I'm not gonna keep dealing with this. I immediately start walking around to see where I could plant things, place things, and I'm telling y'all, all of this was clear. All of this was clear this morning. The only thing I had were the seedlings. Those are nasturtiums in the back that I have. Some tomato seeds that I never planted. Some callaloo. And some lemon basil. Now, with the heat being this way, I'll probably plant them and we'll see what's going to happen. But I had all of this cleared off because it was really getting to me. I deadheaded some things I got rid of. And so I was just like, okay, now I can work with it. And then I go and pull a stunt like this. So like I was saying, we went to the exchange, BXPX, base exchange, post exchange, however you want to say it. And I was just looking at the seeds, you know, just looking. And so I came across the sweet peas, and they were 85 cents. And sweet peas for us is like a cool weather flower. So now will be the time, well, actually, like in a few weeks, now would be a good time to plant it. Or in a few weeks, sorry, in a few weeks will be a great time to plant it. Let me move this. This is what I use to get like the dirt from up here. But now would be a great time to plant the sweet peas. So you can either do a couple of things when you plant sweet peas. You can soak them overnight. I've heard some people say they soak them in milk, or you can take like a emery board and kind of foul it, and it'll sprout quicker. So I'm gonna plant some sweet peas, and I already got some sweet pea seeds, but they were 85 cents. And I was just like, you know how you have cabin fever? I wasn't in my own home and I needed to do something to stay sane. So those were 85 cents. Okay, so next I came across these, and see, that's the problem. Pictures mess you up. Pictures really mess you up. And why is there a mosquito on my leg? Okay, sorry. So pictures mess you up, and I thought, oh, these would be pretty. Next year, they're dwarf, and you can plant them in beds, boxes, borders, and window boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, y'all, to be all over the place. 5 of these I picked up while I was there at the exchange. Okay, so I must have picked up 5 of the sweet peas too. Then the chives. I already have chives, but I thought, you know what, let's plant some more. So I bought 2 garlic chives and 2 regular chives that I will be planting, you know. So that kind of helped me calm myself down until I got back home in my own garden. Okay, so this fiasco right here, I can already tell you what happened. My husband had some business he had to take care of in Jacksonville, and normally I do go with him. I'll go with him, and I have my special stops that I love to make when I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. But I said, go ahead, because I got a lot of things to do in the garden. And but once it got about 11 o'clock today, it was hot, and I came back in and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and return the stuff and go ahead and get the mulch, which I don't have the mulch. I think I said that earlier. But what I did find, now let me start in the back, because I did. Now these I was looking for, and I saw these in Columbus, but like I said, we didn't have a lot of room, so I left them there. I went to like 2 of the blue box stores. They did not have them. So when I came across them today, I picked up 4. And let me pull it out in the front. These are so pretty. They're perennials, and they are the Autumn Joy. The Autumn Joy sedum. They have like a blush pink when they open up, a really pretty blush pink color. The bees were on it, the butterflies were on it, so I thought that these would be perfect. So we got 4 of those. Now those I'm not sorry about because I did want some of these. They grow really pretty. Now this is what I'm sorry about. So I went to the clearance area, you know, just let's see what we got, let's see what's going on. And we got the white blush verbena on clearance, perennial, $3. But what I love about these, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, is they start out, do you see like the, oh God, do y'all have love bugs? Comment below. I'm gonna have to zoom in on them because they come out in the spring and the fall and they're so freaking irritating. But do you see how it's like a blush purple? So I guess it starts like a blush purple color, but they eventually go to white as they continue to grow. $3. You got nice new blooms on them. And so I picked up 3 of these because I thought they were so pretty. Perennials. I'm going to put these where the super tunias were, and it's down to 15 degrees. I think we'll be all right here in coastal Georgia. Now one year it did get to like 17, but we'll see. For $3, they're so pretty. I think they'll be really nice. And the spike flower, I always use these in my fall arrangements. These are my thriller. You know how you want to have something coming up in the middle? I got 2 spike flowers, but look what price I got them for. $1. So I'll definitely be making some floral arrangement with them. But this is what got me in trouble today, y'all. This is not mulch. This is the dianthus, and they had the 1-gallon pots on sale today at the orange store, $2.50. So I got 5 of those. And for our zone, these are a perennial. Now I got 2 of the darker pink. I don't know if you could tell. And then these are like a little lighter pink. Can you tell? And they are so pretty. So I'm going to put them out in the side garden, and I'll do a separate video on that because I don't want to make this too long. But like I said, this was not my intention, y'all. It really was not. And I'm really going to try to like get everything planted because my Encore azaleas, that is supposed to be my next big project. And I need to get on it because I have these right here, and you know, they're like, they say sun to part sun, but I'm telling you right now, they cannot take this sun. And I had them out where I was gonna put them, which is like over there, but with the hurricane and the wind, they got knocked over. I pulled them back. Same thing for my hydrangeas. But I have got to get started, and I am going to say, I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try real hard not to buy any more flowers because I still have to pot. This is the variegated pink lemon right here. I have to pot that. I have a bush container clementine right here, and I have a bay leaf plant. Now the good thing about the bay leaf is when it comes fall, I will not have to buy any bay leaves because I can come and pick them off right here. But I do want to pot them in a different pot. Okay, y'all, so like I said, this was, I promise y'all, this one right here was not intentional. It really wasn't. But I'm out here now. I'm gonna put my long sleeve shirt on because I don't know what's going on with these mosquitoes. They are still out. The love bugs fly on you, they get in your face, and I really do have a lot to do. I don't know if I said it in the last video, I took the whole week off, but I did not get anything done because I was not here. So that was like a week wasted for me, but everything happens for a reason. I'm still grateful, I'm still thankful. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as one. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you won't see any more plant hauls for a while, or seed hauls. And until the next video, bye bye. you.